Today I came up with a very simple and very quick cake recipe, Oreo cake recipe. You don't need a micro oven, you don't need eggs, and you don't need sugar, and you also don't need condensed milk to make this cake. But this cake is so tasty. So let's start the recipe. First of all, we will break 14 to 15 Oreo biscuit in a bowl. Also, you can grind biscuit if you want. Then spare 8 to 10 tablespoons of hot milk in biscuits. Then when the biscuits get wet, mix them well with milk. Whisk the mixture until it becomes smooth and lumps-free. Put the mixture half of the cup. Then you can add chocolates or choco chips. Preheat the steamer for 5 minutes. Put cups into the steamer. Bake for 10 minutes on high flame. Then it's ready, a spongy Oreo cake. Ready 10 minutes spongy Oreo cake. Cake is so tasty and so spongy as well. You can must try at your home. In Christmas, in New Year's party or any party, you just amazed your guest with this cake. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment, share and do subscribe to our channel. I will come up with new recipe again. Till then, take care. Bye.